Let me get some Skittles. Some Skittles. Bag of chips. I'm gonna take a slushie too. And a large popcorn.
A large? Oh, he got fucking money. Get it off. I got you. Watch this teamwork.
Stupidest thing on the
Watch
planet.
this teamwork.
We look like a fucking haunted house. Alright, Gary, we back here again with Hansford and Hansford Chronicles. Alright, that wasn't planned, alright. That wasn't planned either, I promise you that wasn't planned. Alright, we're gonna have a little cipher for y'all already. We got quick bars. This is gonna go on Instagram, so we're gonna get right into it. You ready?
Wait, Marquise, hold on, because I got the hick.
Final jump of the night.
You saw it, Isha. I know you saw it. I know you saw it. I know you saw it.
I got Spider-Man held hostage. You guys want him? Come and get him. Who really are you? What's your name?
Zion.
Zion what?
Zion Spider-Man.
Zion Spider-Man what?
Booty head.
Zion Spider-Man booty head. Alright, you got a name for you.
You going first?
I'm going first.
You going first?
No, you go first.
You going first?
I bet.
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and I changed the game. It's my big bronze boogie, got all them girls shook. My big fat, got all them boys cooked. We're from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. You know, say to me while I do my money dance like, hey. Flexing on the gram like, hey. It's the Lil Jon, okay. Oh yeah, we dripping and finesse and getting paid. Ow.
We do this thing. This is what we do. Me and you. We almost a crew.
Almost a crew. Nigga who? Cause you know it's only us two.
Ah, only us two. 1 and 2. And done. Where's the fun? This is what we do every day and night. We keep it chill, good vibes, no fights.
No fights, that shit out of sight. I freestyle, I don't gotta write.
Don't
Put it
got
on. Ah! I didn't know what I was gonna say anyway. Go. Yeah. You know I'm sipping. Do my own thing, so you know I'm dripping. Dripping in the kitchen.
Cook, nigga.
Flipping on the chicken.
Flip it. Wait. Chicken. Flip pancake. Nigga, do it.
No licking. Finger licking. Now we gonna sit back and just chill. We could go down the hill. No, cause that's ghetto, I'm playing. You know what I'm saying? We sitting in the room just rapping. Rapping, no trapping. Fingers match my lips. Give good dick. What?
Ow. I apologize for that, everyone. The bottom of my heart.
This nigga bring it back. You know I'm going back. Do it, girl. I'ma school you, girl. I'ma flip it up. I'ma throw it back at you like get enough. Heard you rapping all fast. You know your bars, they trash. Smell like ass. Girl, I had to pass. Got the best bars around. Cause you know, accent tab. Bars on beat. Here, is that your feet? Oh, man, you wanna do a diss track? Sis said my bars was trash like Mars. I'ma get her. I'm a school for a motherfucking hitter. I'm the hitter. My beats rhyme, I'ma go and get her. I'ma do it. I'ma show you motherfucker how I came to school you. Okay, call me the teacher. I'ma show you how to meet her. I'ma show you how to get on this beat. Turn it up like that, then smack it on the feet. You said my feet stink. But you ain't feeling it. And that's all you got. You don't know how to get it. I'ma show you I'm a star. You gon' show me you a star? Don't nobody know who you are. Take it like wildin' out. Kara, get the fuck out. Rapping on this beat, cause you know my beats bar, and you know my bars beat. You know how ass. Gotta pass. Yeah, I say the same word, just to make sure you heard. Cause I'm about to kill ya. Yeah, I'm about to kill ya. This beat is hot. Got fire. And I am not. I'm the fire to the flame. I'm a burn this track. I'ma do my damn thing. It's so nice.
When I'm walking past the mirror, stressed through the night at a time when my life ain't worried about you feeling, let my head on straight, I got the vibe right, I ain't gonna feel it. See, I want change my life, just
Yo.
what do you want to do?
Thank you. Marquise move.
Go.
It's true that I'm a hot girl. Up the out of the world. I'm his girl.
Yo, my name is Marquise.
Marquise.
Marquise. Where I'm from, ABP.
What's ABP?
Aspen Place Projects, Passaic, New Jersey. You gotta know this stuff, man, if you wanna be with me. I'm just saying. I'm just insane. I'm just saying. I ain't playing.
Not playing. Oh, you heard what I'm saying. I'ma name my son Damon.
I don't like that name.
Psych, I don't like that name either. Having a baby.
Babe, what?
Maybe. I knew you was gonna say that. How did I know you was thinking it? You said it.
What the?
You
thinking it.
All right. No babies.
No babies. Just
No
kidding.
babies.
Yo. Fuck it. Why are you so beautiful? Smile. Watch you try to hide it, guys. Smile. I told you. Every time.